Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, let's get through to see how to create a notification when adding data to a custom field using a custom HTML field from MetaBox. I have some fields like this. This is an alert that informs the user something about entering information to this field. The content of the alert is from the one saved in a custom HTML field. Before going ahead, let's check which tools are needed for this practice. To have a framework to create custom fields, we need the MetaBox Core plugin. You can install it directly from WordPress.org. Besides, we need some MetaBox extensions for its advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions we need. MetaBox Builder is to create the custom fields. MetaBox Conditional Logic is to show or hide custom fields based on the data users fill in another field. It is just optional if you need to show or hide fields in your case. MetaBox Group is to group together the fields along with the custom HTML field that we use for the notification. This is optional as well. In fact, you obviously can set the custom HTML field standalone. Just choose which is the best for your field group structure. Let's start now. Go to MetaBox and create some custom fields. For this first field, choose the type as the radio field. You can fill in some options for choosing into the choices box. Since I want the alert message to go along with this field, I will put both of them into a group. There is no need to have a label for this group, so leave it blank. This group will appear only when the user chooses the Yes option in this field. So we will set a conditional logic for this group. Go to the Advanced tab in the settings of the group. Add a rule here. This option will be visible as default. Fill in the ID of the radio field and the value of the Yes option. Now, let's add subfields for this group. The first subfield will be the custom HTML field for the alert. Add content for it in this box. Here I also add some classes that we will use for styling this notification later. Add the remaining field. That's done. Let's set the location for these fields. Go to the Settings tab. Set location as post type. Then choose any post type you want here. Go to the post editor. You will see the fields. This notification is quite not prominent compared to other texts. So, let's style it a little bit. I will add a file to the Themes Files folder for adding CSS. This is to declare and create the file. Go to it and add some CSS code. These are two classes that I add for the content of the alert when creating the custom field. Now, go back to a post editor. You will see the message has a new look. That's done for today's tutorial. If you want to try more tips, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.